Hi guys, this is Cindy from Part-Time Permies, and we are making a brooder. We've not had any artificial setup previously, so this is our first one. Little girl in the background is Bella, our part-time Permie number 3, or Permie number 3. So she will be joining us on new videos. It may provide a little chatter in the background, but what we're doing is we're taking a storage bin, and on the lid we've already cut off out a section here. We are putting some scrap fencing that we had. This is just plastic fencing, so it was easier to cut. And we're zip tying it to the lid, and that will be our brooder. And then for heat, we have a radiant heater that we've used in our coops before. I'm just going to prop it up so they can get under it, and then we'll be ready for chicks. And we are getting new silky chicks tomorrow, so I got to get this wrapped up and finished, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, so here's Permie number 3 for you. Who's playing in the background and overseeing the job. Quick, really a quick job. Simple brooder. Cut the hole out of the lid. Zip tie some fencing down on it. You can use some chicken wire. I use plastic fencing, and I just zip tied it together. You can do that on the inside, but this one has some structural pieces on the inside, so it wouldn't hold flat. So I need to keep my cat out of it, so I put it on the top. I have a Cozy Coop radiant heater that I've taken the legs off of, and we're gonna prop it up on blocks so that the chicks can go under it. I do need to clean this out, and then we'll get some shavings in here. The radiant heater all hooked up and everything ready to go. So I wanted to show you our setup for our silky chicks. We've had our silky chicks in here for about 3 weeks now, so they're starting to get feathers, and it's been a good setup for them for the last 3 weeks. I have an assistant, Taylor, here helping me, my nephew, and we're going to show you how we have the inside of this coop set. Can you show, first of all, how easy it is to get this darn lid off? Very lightweight, a 7-year-old can do it, right? Yeah. Okay. So Taylor, can you point out the heat source for these chicks? This is a Cozy Coop heater, and it's got legs for it to stand up, but we took those legs off, and we can pull that out. Careful. Yeah, so we just have it set up on blocks. These blocks, pretty much, you can raise them up. This bin is not quite wide enough for this to hold the whole length of the Cozy Coop heater, but I could keep raising the blocks up every week and hold the heater on an angle so the chicks don't get on top of it.
So we have some water for the chicks to drink.
Yeah, and what else do we have in there?
And some food.
And they've already eaten most of the food in that bottle. We just filled that this morning, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they're hungry chicks. They're growing fast. We do have blocks that the water is on, and yes, you just pecked at me too. the block that the water's on so that it limits how much stuff they put in their water, but it's not perfect, so we still have to dump it out to clean it every once in a while. Looks like we need to do that again. So all I do is take this out and dump it out outside. Okay, how many silkies do we have in there, Tay?
6.
6 of them. You want to show us one of the chicks?
Should I pick one up?
Yeah, you can pick one up.
If one doesn't peck me.
That's alright, they don't peck hard enough to hurt. You got one, you got the little yellow one.
Boop, 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 boop.
I'll just put it on an angle like that so the chicks can't get on top of it. They were getting on top of it when I had it flat, so that's why I switched it to the angle so they would not get on top of it, because otherwise, if they end up getting on top of it, it gets very poopy. And you got one. Oh. Yeah, see, they have trouble standing on top of that, so they're no longer going. How'd they go?
Yeah.
How'd they do that?
They do.
Yeah, because he was having trouble with balance. Let's put them back and close them back up.
I'm going to put you under there.
Yeah, so they can stay warm, and put the lid back on there. Yeah, show how easy it is to put that lid on and snap it shut.
Just like this.
Oh.
Huh? And there.
Yeah, so what we have is, this is a broken bin. The other handle on the other side was broken, but we have one snap shut. And then we have Taylor being a goof. No. And then we have a little slit in it for the cord to come out so that it's not on an angle right there. Can you point it out? Yeah. Yeah, so in that case, the cord is kind of propping it up, but if that's pushed over, yeah, it just goes right around the cord. So it's a really easy coop to make at home. You could do it yourself with materials you might have at home already, or very minimal need to buy anything. So it's basically our do-it-yourself chick brooder. So I hope you'd enjoy this tutorial, and we'll see you with our next show.
And stay healthy.
Thanks. Bye.
Gotcha.
Oh, that one doesn't like being held. Uh-oh.
That guy got out.
Yep, you got him back in?
Yep.
There we go.